Srimati Supriya Sule.
I'd like to ask the Honorable Minister, the Save the Tiger program has been a flagship program of several governments and it has been a success story in India. The only question is that in Maharashtra we have maximum attacks, reason being that the way we do love human beings, but we do love our animals as well. In Maharashtra, what would you do? Because the maximum leopard attacks are around Sanjay Gandhi National Park, where urbanization seems to be the biggest channel. So actually we are intruding on their area, then they intruding. And there are a lot of people, especially in Tadoba, a lot of NGOs making a lot of good suggestions for addressing the animal conflict, and they have managed to move several villages out of Tadoba. But the compensation and skills for livelihoods has not been a success story. So if you kindly intervene, I'm sure we could help all these people a lot more. Thank you.
Sir, actually a very good question and a suggestion for action. Let me only tell you that we have now 49 tiger sanctuaries. And out of 49, every tiger sanctuary, we have prepared more than 34 tiger sanctuary working plans have been approved and others are being in process of approval. So we discussed with the state government, the state forest department, wildlife sanctuary people, NGOs and everybody, so that all stakeholders, specific situational solutions in each tiger reserves are also being worked out. And we want to minimize these conflicts, because every year loss of 20 to 30 people is not a good sign, and we are trying at most to minimize this.
Srimati K. Kavita.
Thank you, ma'am. A very happy Women's Day to all of you, especially best wishes for my male colleagues. Special wishes, I mean.
Yes.
Ma'am, my question is related to the Paris Accord, sir. Till date, 55 countries did not sign the accord. And in an interview you have quoted, sir, that India had made specific compromises in the spirit of compromise. We did not want to block the accord, so we have signed the accord. So through you, madam, I would like to ask the minister, what are the compromises that India had made to sign this agreement? And second thing, sir, all the developed nations have quoted that 62 billion funding is given to the developing nations. So how much climate financing did India receive from 2014?
Not directly related to the two sentences. No country has signed because the signing process will start on 22nd of April in UN headquarters. So that day, majority countries and all countries have declared that they will sign and ratify the agreement. So that's a process which will have 1 year period. And as far as international finance is concerned, we are emphasizing with developed countries that they must follow their commitment of $100 billion. And we have also given an example and led by example that we can charge coal by $6 per ton. If developed world does the same, it can generate $100 billion.
Yes. Bharati Ben Patel. Yes.
धन्यवाद स्पीकर मैडम। हम सब जानते हैं कि गुजरात में हमारा गिर फॉरेस्ट है और एशियन लायन जो सिर्फ ये गिर फॉरेस्ट में ही पाए जाते हैं और राष्ट्रीय अभयारण्य भी वहाँ है। ये एशियन